Switzerland, often hailed as the land of mountains, is a picturesque jewel nestled in the heart of Europe. Its awe-inspiring landscapes, ranging from the snow-capped Alps to lush valleys and pristine lakes, make it a haven for nature enthusiasts worldwide. The Swiss Alps, an iconic range of rugged peaks, dominate the country's landscape. With peaks soaring over 4,000 meters, including the legendary Matterhorn and Eiger, these mountains beckon adventure seekers and mountaineers from all corners of the globe. Their grandeur is not only a testament to the forces of nature but also a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and philosophers. The alpine ecosystem is a delicate balance of resilience and fragility. Alpine flora, including edelweiss and gentians, bloom in radiant hues, defying the harsh conditions. Meanwhile, elusive creatures like chamois, ibex, and marmots thrive in this demanding terrain, demonstrating nature's capacity for adaptation. Beyond the lofty peaks, Switzerland's valleys are a sight to behold. Verdant meadows, adorned with wildflowers, stretch for miles, offering a stark contrast to the rugged grandeur of the mountains. These valleys, such as the Rhone and Engadina, are dotted with charming villages, where traditional Swiss architecture and warm hospitality invite travelers to experience local culture. The Swiss plateaus, with cities like Zurich, Bern, and Basel, serve as the cultural and economic heart of the country. Nestled between the Alps and the Jura Mountains, these rolling landscapes are adorned with vineyards, offering world-class wines. The plateaus provide a striking blend of urban vibrancy and natural serenity, making them a unique facet of Switzerland's diverse topography. Lac Léman, Europe's largest freshwater lake, lies in the southwest, cradled by the Alps and the Jura Mountains. Its crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding peaks, creating a mesmerizing panorama. The lakeside towns of Geneva, Montreux, and Lausanne offer a blend of culture, history, and stunning vistas, making them popular destinations for travelers seeking tranquility. Nestled amidst the embrace of mountains, Lake Lucerne exudes a timeless beauty. Its deep blue waters, framed by the rugged peaks, inspire a sense of wonder. The charming town of Lucerne on its shores invites exploration, offering a bridge between nature and Swiss history. Summer in Switzerland invites outdoor enthusiasts to explore its vast network of trails, catering to hikers, mountain bikers, and climbers. The meadows are alive with the buzz of bees and the rustle of leaves, while the lakes offer respite from the warm sun. This season showcases Switzerland as a playground for those seeking a balance between adventure and relaxation. As the days grow shorter, Switzerland dons a cloak of fiery reds, burnt oranges, and golden yellows. The large trees in the Engadina Valley, shedding their needles, paint a mesmerizing picture against the backdrop of snow-dusted peaks. Autumn is a time of reflection, a season that invites visitors to witness nature's grand finale before the winter slumber. Switzerland, a country renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, comes alive in the summer months, offering a symphony of colors, scents, and sounds that captivate the senses. The Swiss Alps, with their towering peaks and pristine glaciers, stand as sentinels over lush green valleys, creating a harmonious blend of rugged grandeur and serene beauty. As the snow recedes, the Swiss Alps unveil a vibrant tapestry of alpine flora. Blankets of wildflowers carpet the slopes, boasting a myriad of hues ranging from delicate blues of gentians to the vibrant yellows of buttercups. This explosion of color against the rugged backdrop of the mountains is a testament to nature's resilience and the intricate ecological balance that thrives in this extreme environment. The high-altitude ecosystems of the Swiss Alps come alive in the summer. Elusive creatures like the ibex, chamois, and golden eagles can be spotted navigating the rugged terrain. Marmots, with their playful antics, add a touch of whimsy to the austere landscape. The alpine meadows provide abundant grazing for these creatures, creating a delicate dance of life against the formidable backdrop of the mountains. Nestled amidst the craggy peaks are the glacial lakes, their azure waters a stark contrast to the surrounding ruggedness. Lakes such as Lake Geneva, Lake Lucerne, and Lake Constance provide a mirror-like surface that reflects the majesty of the mountains. These pristine bodies of water become havens for relaxation, water sports, and leisurely boat rides, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the serene beauty of the Alps. The Rhone Valley, with its terraced vineyards and quaint villages, is a testament to the agricultural bounty that thrives in Switzerland's valleys. Orchards burst with plump cherries and apples, while vineyards drape the slopes, producing world-renowned Swiss wines. The meandering Rhone River adds a soothing soundtrack to this picturesque valley, inviting visitors to savor the tranquility. The Engadina Valley, nestled in the heart of the eastern Swiss Alps, exudes an elegant charm. This high-altitude valley, renowned for its pristine lakes and picturesque villages, offers a captivating blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. The Engadina architecture, characterized by painted facades and intricately carved wooden details, seamlessly integrates with the surrounding landscape, creating a visual harmony that enchants all who wander through. The Jungfrau region, encompassing iconic destinations like Interlaken, Grindelwald, and Lauterbrunnen, epitomizes the quintessential Swiss alpine experience. Surrounded by the Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau peaks, this valley is a gateway to a wonderland of hiking trails, waterfalls, and adventure. The Staubach Falls, plunging dramatically from the cliffs, and the emerald waters of Lake Thun and Lake Brienz provide a dramatic contrast to the surrounding mountains, creating a landscape that feels straight out of a fairy tale. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, the Swiss Alps provide an array of adventure sports. Paragliding over the valleys, mountain biking down thrilling descents, and canyoning in pristine rivers are just a few of the heart-pounding experiences on offer. Additionally, the glacial lakes invite water enthusiasts to partake in activities such as sailing, paddleboarding, and swimming, offering a refreshing respite from the summer sun. Switzerland's natural beauty is a testament to the intricate artistry of the earth. Its mountains, valleys, lakes, and plateaus offer an unrivaled tapestry of experiences, each season revealing a different facet of its splendor. Whether you seek adventure, serenity, or cultural enrichment, Switzerland stands as an open invitation to explore the wonders of the natural world. I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my videos and subscribing to my channel. Your support means the world to me, and it's what keeps me motivated to create and share content that I hope you find enjoyable, informative, and engaging. Your support encourages me to dream bigger and aim higher. I'm committed to bringing you more content that not only entertains but also adds value to your life. Once again, from the depths of my heart, thank you for being a part of this journey. Your support is the driving force behind every video, and I'm incredibly grateful for the opportunity to share this space with you. With warm regards, explore for free.